Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make chicken marsala. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back. I appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot for being here. Like I said, we're going to be making chicken marsala. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got about 1.5 pounds of some chicken cutlets, pounded out to about 3/4 inch thickness. I got 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of butter that we're going to divide, 1 pound of mushrooms that I've sliced up, 1 shallot that's diced, a tablespoon of fresh garlic that I've minced, half a cup of chicken broth, 1/3 cup of Marsala wine, dry Marsala wine, 1/3 cup of heavy cream, 1 tablespoon of some fresh thyme, salt and pepper as we go along, and then I'm going to chiffonade a little parsley and throw it on there for garnish. Alright, I got most of the prep done here. Let's head over to the pan and start cooking it. Alright, as you can see, we have got our mise en place all ready to go with all the ingredients that we need for everything in this cook. I don't have my spoon, but I will get that. And then we're going to focus on our pan right here, and we'll start cooking. So we've got our pan hot, medium-high heat. Throw your olive oil in there and 2/3 of the butter and let that start melting. I am going to back out of this shot a little bit and I'm going to show you what we're going to do with the chicken. I've got our chicken in a little bowl here. I'm going to throw some salt and pepper in there and then all of our flour. And then with a gloved hand I am just going to get this chicken full of that flour mixture. Both sides, and we're just going to set it off the side because we're going to be putting it into this oil and butter in just a second. Alright, so our butter and oil are hot. I'm going to turn it down because I don't want to scorch it. Then we're taking our chicken that we dredged and we're going to set it right in this hot butter and oil, and we're going to let this brown. The link for this recipe is in the description box and in the first pinned comment. Don't forget to look for it there. Printable and shareable recipe. Just turn our chicken over. And the recipe does call for it to pound the chicken to about 3/4 of an inch thick. That's to help the speed in the cooking process and also to break up the corpuscles in the meat to tenderize it. Alright, we've got a nice little color crust on both sides of this, so I'm just going to set it off to the side here in our bowl. I'm going to add the rest of our butter right in there, our shallots, our garlic, and our mushrooms. I'm just going to cook these down, get those aromatics to give us their love, and we'll just sweat these down. Okay, so we've got some color going on these mushrooms here. I'm going to add our 1/2 cup of chicken broth in here and kind of deglaze this a little bit. Help those mushrooms cook a little more. Okay, I'm going to add some thyme and some salt and pepper, and I'm going to throw our Marsala in here. Stir this all up. Bring that to a nice boil. We add our heavy cream right on in here. Stir that in. Our thyme back. A little more salt and pepper. This comes to a boil. Put our chicken back in, right in among the sauce and the mushrooms. One last piece. I'm going to cover this up until it gets to a nice boil, and I'm going to simmer it and let it go for about 10 minutes. Alright, it's up to a boil and simmering now. Get a nice simmer. I want to reduce the sauce down to about half of what it was. I'm going to flip this chicken over just so it gets a little love on both sides. Alright, we're going to let this simmer down. We're going to get this sauce to thicken up just a little bit. Then we're going to plate this up and put it in the timeline with some groovy music and come back and taste it. So don't go away. Alright, let's give this a taste. Cut a little piece off there. Still smoking hot. Chicken's very tender, good flavor. That little outer color crust. The dog's coming up to see what I've got. Color crust on that gives it a nice finish, so it holds in the juice when it's cooking. Sauce is fantastic, sticks right to the chicken. Let's go in for a mushroom or two here. Beautiful. Outstanding flavor. Creamy, got that wine on there. You can taste that. Thyme adding its help to the dish. Chicken stock gives it a foundation for all of it. A little more chicken. Fantastic meal. Didn't do this with any side. Works well with mashed potatoes or rice. And of course the side of vegetable chicken marsala. Make sure you go down and check that recipe link out down in the description box or in the first pinned comment. Thanks a lot for being here. We'll see you again real soon.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.